Now it should be live, or it should be in a few minutes here at least.
Shares of McDonald's, Michael Charlie Delta, off the highs now, 187.28, up $5.11 following their earnings release. Michael Charlie Delta. SXTC, Sandy X-Ray Tango Charlie, halted on a circuit breaker. Shares halted at the high of 38%. STXW, Sandy Charlie Whiskey X-Ray popping to the high, 2104. SecureWorks up 4.5% now. SCWX.
I see what's going on, guys. Okay. I think I see.
Coming up, crude and gasoline stocks. Crude stocks, a build of 919,000 versus the forecast of 3.2 million build. Gasoline stocks, a draw of 2.24 million versus a forecast of a build of 1.9 million. And distillates, a draw of 1.12 million versus the forecast of a draw of 1.4 million. Crude popping to the high, 54.14.
Okay, so that has a little bit of a delay. Okay, so that has a little bit of a delay. Alrighty, guys, great. If you guys have questions or stocks, charts, trade ideas you want me to go over, just let me know. Guys, if you guys have any stocks, charts, anything you guys want me to go over, just comment in the Facebook super chat here.
Remember, on Mevo trading at the lows now, $3.25. SXTC shares resumed trading after a circuit breaker, hit a high of $6.06. Shares up 47% now for Sandy X-Ray Tango Charlie.
Just let me know. Guys, if you guys have any stocks, charts, anything you guys want me to go over, just comment in the Facebook super chat here. Guys, this was what was beautiful about Q's here. If you guys take a look, here I have MasterCard, I have Amazon, I have Google, and I have Q's here. And then above here, I have, let's put DAL, and let's put Facebook on this one. And I like to do 6-month charts on swing trades. Guys, this was what was beautiful about Q's here. If you guys take a look, here I have MasterCard, I have Amazon, I have Google, and I have Q's here. And then above here, I have, let's put DAL, and let's put Facebook on this one. Alrighty, guys, so like I said here, let me do 6-month charts. Let me. Alright, we took the volume off there, guys. Alright, so like I said here, what I like to do personally is if I'm day trading, I like setting up my charts for day trade setups, okay? So for example, guys, you guys have to understand, we trade 2 types of trades, swing trades and day trades, okay? Now, we use our trade plan for the same types of trades, but we just change the time frame. So all you have to do here is go to like your 6-month daily for swing trades. That's what I always use, guys. For swing trades, I like looking at the 6-month daily chart and using our trade plan. As you can see, here is breakdown momentum here. Following our trade plan, you had a nice entry signal on October 11th for the breakdown momentum, and you didn't get to cover that until January 4th. So like I said, on January 4th, we had a momentum change here. We're changing. We just had the 20 and 50 crossover now. So next green candle technically on the Qs is our entry signal. We're going to be watching that. Everything's depending on tech earnings today and tomorrow. That's really important, guys. And as a trader, you guys have to know that you know that going into tech, it's going to be volatile. It's going to be risky. And you have to decide, okay, what's your risk to reward and how much do you really want to risk, you know, meaning that, hey, this amount could be gone the next day if you're willing to trade earnings and want to trade earnings. Not everyone wants to trade earnings. It's not for everyone. I haven't been trading earnings for quite some time, but I feel good on Google and Facebook here. We just seen Apple have a great quarter here, so we'll see what happens, guys. Here's the thing: what I think with Facebook, I think Facebook's going to have great revenue from advertisements, but I think they're going to say that their daily active users are down, which is going to probably bring the stock down. I have a small trade on that though. It's only about $2,000. The Google trade's about $2,500. So I have under $5,000 in high risk, medium to high risk trades here for earnings. Like I said, for non-earnings trades, we're going to be taking a look at Delta and AMAT. So if we take a look at AMAT, for example, and like I said, Qs look great too. We just have to see how earnings come along. AMAT, we're in the consolidation area here. So let me share with you guys in the trade room what I'm looking for.
BA, Boeing CEO says 787 production line has begun transitioning to output of 14 a month. Expect to complete in Q2. CEO says new 77X wide-body program on track. Says started transitioning to higher rate on 787. Expects to complete transition in the coming months. That's Bravo Alpha. Shares of Boeing, Bravo Alpha, making new highs, 391.
Guys, Boeing's still breaking out. We got to take a look at Boeing. They had great earnings.
Report. That's Bravo Alpha.
Alrighty, guys, so here's the chart on AMAT. I just made this chart up quick. I'm posting it in the trade room for members.
So I think that is certainly a risk. I think if the markets rally too much, that gives the Fed the free pass that they are actually looking for. Because I think they're still the believers in the Phillips curve. Having said that, I don't think given all the slowdown in the economy, we will probably get the gangbuster rally that we need for the Fed to kind of get ahead of it. Bottom line is,
So that puts a ceiling perhaps somewhere on the market, but it's where exactly?
well, so I think if we, let's say, end of February, we are 10-12% for the year, that probably is too much, and that brings Fed back into the play. The bottom line with respect to 2019 from our perspective is two things. One, 5 more years. The growth will continue at a subdued level, but for a reasonably long period of time, one. And second, the reasonable growth in 2019 with better policy, whether that
Has
is
earnings on the 12th.
monetary policy front, gets us better outcomes.
All right, 124 then. That's what it's all in effect. 5 more years. Take care. Guys, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Coming up later on Squawk Alley, don't miss former Treasury Secretary Larry Summers weighing in on the China trade talks and a lot more. Squawk on the Street will be right back. Dow's up 270. Just a let.
The path to prosperity is not easy for everyone. Catholic businesses fail with faith, and more people than ever struggle with debt. Intuit is here to change this story. With giant solutions like TurboTax, QuickBooks, and Mint that give everyone the power to proud members of TurboTax, QuickBooks, and Mint.
Dr. Phil says love is still moving. Let's take a look at love. Oh, wow. Love looks great here, Doc. Wow, we have the next resistance for love isn't until about $60 a share. When does love have earnings? Delta looks great too, Doc. Delta looks even better, to be totally honest with you.
Balance sheet continues to unwind. Today, Fed Chair Powell's next move, the impact on the market.
I really like that. Let's do a little bit more research into Delta.
We've got an earnings report to tell you that.
These are blowout numbers for the fourth quarter.
So let's take a look at Delta. We're going to do a little bit deeper of research into Delta here. I love this chart. Dr. Phil Nicholson said he loves love, LUV, ticker symbol LUV. Sound shouldn't be bad, Mark. I have professional cameras here. Alrighty, guys. So like I said here, we were in breakdown momentum for quite some time.
YGYI, Yankee Golf, Yankee Indy, Longevity getting a pop here, $7.66.
Economist Vincent, thank you for joining me today. I'm in balmy Boston. All right, now let's start at the beginning. What do you think we will see in the statement and hear in the press conference that you believe we should pay closer attention to, if anything?
Probably not a heck of a lot in the statement. They had said patience improves so many times in the lead up to they've got to put it in the statement. And what that implies is
FPAY, Foxtrot Papa Alpha Yankee, Flex Shopper 13D filing out. That's Foxtrot Papa Alpha Yankee 13D. Howard's working reporting a 16% stake in FPAY in a 13D filing. Says we're required for investment purposes only and being held as long-term investments.
first of all, the great irony is
So guys, their price target on Delta is 62.83. Their average price target.
economists don't know how balance sheets affect term premium and
Their low target's 51, which is still 4.1% upside from there. I like Delta here, guys. I think I'm going to make a trade on it. Since we don't have earnings on Delta or the airlines.
I think this is the excuse of the month. That
Yes, they already had earnings and whatnot on the 15th. What'd they do after earnings?
it's the Fed's balance sheet. The Fed is
Not much.
balance sheet is going to do it slowly.
Not much. Alright, so let's take a look at Delta. So guys, this is what we're doing now. Okay, I'm going to take you to step-by-step approach when we find a trade, how we decide what strike we want to enter and the expiration date. Okay, and where our support and resistance are. This is extremely important, guys. Let me tell my members in here.
House Democrats call for U.S.-Korea joint exercises to resume. Alrighty guys, so this little thing I'm going to do with you guys right now is extremely important and really great. I'm going to teach you guys how to analyze a chart with our trade system, our trade plan, how to analyze the option chain, how to analyze what stocks to go with, what strikes and expirations to go with, and we're going to use support and resistance levels here, guys. So that's what I'm going to teach you guys here. So for Delta, for example, our next resistance area, let me go out a little bit further here. So we're actually at resistance right now. Next resistance after that's going to be right around $50 a share. And then my target is right around 51. So my target for Delta for short term is 51 a share. Okay, so Delta right now is at 48.99. Okay, so for it to get to 51 a share, 49 times 1.0, say 3. That brings us up to 50.50. So 49 times 1.04. So there we go.
a 4% move will bring us up to 50.96. Okay. Then what we're doing is we're looking at the option chain. Okay, we're getting the option chain. We already looked for earnings and whatnot. We've seen there's no events taking place for Delta in the short term.
Alibaba, Bravo Alpha, Alibaba shares making new highs, 165.85.
So what we'll do then, we'll look at the February 15th monthly expo, okay? And we'll look, if we buy the 49 strike call that's going for $1.20, 49 plus 1.2, so $50.20 is our break even, and then another $1.20. So at 51.40, we make a 100% return. Okay, that's with some regular calls on Delta for the February 15th expiration. But if we wanted to go, wow, look at the open interest as well on these. We have over 50 or 5,800 open interest for the 50 strike calls for the February. Let's see the weeklies. See, there's not too much here for the weeklies. Not bad though. That definitely has a chance at really breaking out right now. So, I think I'm going to go with, look at Delta breaking out now. Look at that, guys. So here is a perfect example of what I like to do, guys. Right here is Delta. This is the 1 year chart. Right here to the right of it, I have the Delta 1 minute to day chart. So here is Delta for day trades chart. Here is Delta chart for swing trades. That's how I set things up, guys. What I like to do when I'm looking at swing trades, day trades. Delta's in complete breakout mode right now, so I got to jump in this, guys. I'm going to get the next week's expo.
Is implementing its commitments under the nuclear deal with major powers.
Okay, so the February 8th expo. 50, 54. All right, let's add the Delta and Thetas onto this now, or Greeks. Delta 0.39.
Welcome back to Swap Industry, and I'm Dom the Q. Stocks moving higher today on the back of those Boeing and Apple earnings, which are having a bigger effect on the Dow than the S&P 500. But a notable sector laggard is communication services, as you can see here in the red. Disappointing results from AT&T helping to drag things down there. Names like Discovery, CBS, Comcast, the CNBC parent company, and Dish also moving lower. But not all the sector components are getting hit. Newer tech and media companies like Facebook, Netflix, Alphabet moving higher on the day. Facebook, of course, reports results after the close. Now I'll send it back downtown to you guys at the New York Stock Exchange. Back over to you.
All right, guys, so I really do like this setup here. I like the fifth. Let's do the 49 strike. The 49 strike for the February 15th.
ARRY rate biopharma shares hitting a high.
All right, so
18.
now I'm entering Delta a little bit earlier, okay? We're entering on the 1020 cross. I should wait until tomorrow for confirmation, but I can make a half the trade now. I was planning on getting a small trade, about 25 contracts. That's going to cost us, let's see, so it's about $1.25 a contract. 125 times 25 contracts, that's going to be around $3,125 for 25 contracts. So what I might do is get 10 contracts for now, and then tomorrow if we have that green candle confirmation, I'll add some more there.
Crude popping to the high, 54.57 following the 10:30 data.
Look, again, it's another one of these beaten down stocks that, in theory, a little bit of relief was
Benzinga market update at 11 a.m. The S&P futures up 13, Nasdaq up 72.25, Dow futures up 265. Crude just off the highs now at 54.54 for $1.23. Gold is up $1.80 at $1,317.
Good Wednesday morning. Welcome to Squawk Alley. I'm John Ford with your post-round morning Reading. Sarah Eisen. Carl is on assignment. We start with Apple this morning. Stock moving higher after reporting quarterly revenue beat at $84.3 billion. More important, guidance that was a lot better than the street feared. That's points above lower launching estimates following the company's sales warning earlier this month. Apple saying all of the decline, well, in a way, was driven by performance in China, where the company saw the near $5 billion loss in revenue from last year. Issues in other areas, but from a revenue perspective, a lot of that can be explained by Greater China. Joining us now to discuss, Wedgwood CIO and Apple shareholder David Rolfe, as well as BMO Capital Markets U.S. Managing Director and Senior Analyst Tim Long. Good morning, guys. Tim, is this all about not as bad as feared? Is it about the services number, which is also pretty strong? Other data they gave, 5% for pretty nice month.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm a little bit surprised by it. We've seen a lot of technology companies have bounces like this, particularly semiconductors and cyclical type of companies. So it implies to me that people think the worst is over. But I think the focus over the next several months might start moving to what's the next product cycle going to be. And at this point, we don't really know anything compelling coming out later this year. So it's a little harder for me to make a cyclical call on the stock here, given how much numbers have come down. Our numbers compared to 2 months ago are down 16%. Stock's up a few percent. So we've seen a real gap in valuation and fundamentals, which makes me a little bit more concerned right now.
So, David, what's the new investor thesis for Apple? If you believe in it, if you're long in it now, is it still about the iPhone? Is it more about services? Is it just consistency?
I think consistency and certainly services. Step back and think about where we were when the stock was up in the 230s and it declined dramatically, down to 140. We've had a significant reset of earnings.
All right, so there we go. Just placed the trade on Delta.
Fiscal 2019 is about
That one's not filled yet. Let me change the price here.
bucks a share in 2020. But I think what we haven't set are street expectations. I think I'll take the other side of the debate with your other guests. I don't think street expectations have been totally set. We don't have any more earnings cuts, and we start focusing on that 13 number as we get through the balance of this year. No more cuts. Right now the stock's at 162. That's about 12.5%
Alrighty, guys, so we just picked up Delta, okay, and we're already up significantly on the trade. We picked up the Delta 49 strike call for the February 15th Expo at $1.27 a contract. Let me share with them first the trades.
Apple device doesn't mean all of a sudden I'm going to start paying for more services. If I already have 5 or 6 Apple devices in my home, right? But don't you care about how many individual paying accounts there are to measure services?
Alrighty, guys, my wife keeps calling me, so let me see what's going on, make sure her and the baby's okay. But like I said, guys, we just made a trade on Delta. We're already up nicely on the trade. We're already up around 4% on the trade. We got the February 15th 49 strike call at $1.27 a contract, picked up 20 contracts. I also, as a little bit of a higher risk trade, I picked up the Delta February 1st 49 strike calls for 64 cents a contract. I only got 10 contracts of those for only $676. So on smaller trades, like I said, Delta trades here are around $3,200, $3,300 total. I will add to it if I see the markets continuing to break out. If not, we'll adjust our trades here. But Delta chart, which is right here and right here. So here's the Delta 1 minute chart. As you guys can see, it's just continuing to climb here. It's in complete breakout momentum right here. That's the 1 minute, 1 day chart for Delta. Here is the Delta 1 year. Let's change this to 6 month daily chart. So on a 6 month daily chart here, guys, as you can see, we have our target between 51 and 52.50 a share from now until February 15th Expo, which would result in over a 100% return on this trade. So that's our trade on Delta for the February 15th Expo. We just had the crossover in the 10 and the 20. We're currently in breakout momentum, but here's the thing, guys. With our trade plan, we have confirmation of breakout momentum and confirmation of trade entry, a trade signal once. Here we go. I just got an alert. Delta is above 49.30 a share. Remember this alert I shared with you guys before I was making on Delta? It already just surpassed that target. I just got the alert from E-Trade. Here's the alert from E-Trade, guys. Here is the alert. An alert condition has been met. We hit OK, and it says DAL, Delta Airlines, price $49.32, limit of $49.30, possible buying opportunity for a swing trade. That was our alert we made on Delta. It just came up, which was great. Remember how I told you guys, if we're sitting in front of the computer, we really don't have to set alerts, which I just made the Delta trade, and this just went off that our alert was met for a possible swing trade. We made this earlier. So as you guys can see, we have a strict disciplined routine here that we follow. Like I said, we're waiting for specific entries, specific targets for our trades. We're following our trade plan, and when we follow our trade plan, we have specific entries, exits, and we can manage the trade along the way here. So I just got the alert from E-Trade that my alert was hit. 49.30. We're above that. We just entered into the trade a few minutes ago. Our Delta trades are up. I'm going to go give the wife a call, guys. I'll be back on here shortly. Delta on the 1 minute chart is continuing breakout momentum. So we have nice gains, guys, and they're continuing to rise here.
PAGS shares following that black trade.
We are now up. We are now up 12% on our Delta trade already. This is incredible. I tell you guys about patience and discipline. Alrighty, guys, now I'm going to go on the website, the back end of the website here, and I'm going to send out an alert to all of our TSE members. So I'm going to get going, guys. I'm going to send out an alert to our members that we just got into a Delta trade. I'm going to give the wife a call, and I will talk to you guys soon. If you guys are TSE members, watch out for the email text now, and it'll also be posted on our trade feed. If you guys are not a member yet and you want to sign up, take advantage of our trade plan, our entries, our exits, follow us, learn how to trade as we do, and more importantly, learn a trade plan, guys. You could follow all these gurus out there all you want. They're just throwing darts at the wall and guessing. You know, they don't teach you a trade plan. Us here at Santarelli Trading Exchange, we pride ourselves in honesty, transparency, and helping traders, guys. Our goal is to help traders become profitable and successful traders. So we're not like those other guys pumping dumps or not giving you guys a trade plan. At Santarelli Trading Exchange, you're going to learn a trade plan, how to trade it, and the conditions to trade that trade plan. If you guys want to sign up, go to thesantarelliexchange.com, use promo code TRADER, TRADER, all capital letters, and then join us in our live trade room on the website. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to go send this alert out now. Delta is still rising here on the breakout momentum 1 minute, 1 day chart, and I'm going to go send out this alert, call the wife, make sure everything's okay, and I'll be back. Alrighty, guys, hope you're enjoying. Have a great day.